Hello you guys, it's Emily. I thought today would be a fun little video just to bring you guys along with me on a casual shooting day. For today's video, we are actually filming a outfit haul try-on video, and this video is sponsored. Not this video you're watching, but the video that I'm going to be filming in this video. I know, it's kind of like Inception. The video we are filming today is going to be sponsored, so I thought it'd be a really good idea to show you guys everything like that I kind of go through when I go to film an outfit video or just a sponsored video in general. There's like a different outline you kind of have to follow, but anyways, first off, to begin with, I need to go get ready to shoot, so we're gonna go do some quick makeup. So for the makeup in my videos, normally I just keep it very minimal. I just do brows, highlighter, maybe a bit of mascara and blush. That's about it. I keep it pretty neutral, so we're just gonna start out with brows real quick.
Like I said already, I keep my makeup pretty natural. All the products I'm using are listed below on the screen that you are watching right now. But yeah, I also just suck at makeup, so I have no choice but to do everything natural. But you know, that's a different problem in itself. Anyways, that's my makeup.
I now need to bring my camera, my tripod, and maybe my ring light thing. I don't know yet, but I need to bring all of this to my filming room. I keep my tripod in my closet. Welcome to the filming room. This is my Karama's bedroom. I just use this because I love the background, the white doors, so I'm gonna move all my stuff in here now. Most importantly, the bag of clothing. I just threw it all inside an Urban Planet bag, but the clothes are from Dressy and my camera. I actually prefer shooting on my little tiny G7X versus my Canon DSLR that you guys are on, just because this is so tiny and compact. But if I want like a more like depth of field background or like professional video kind of thing, I will use my DSLR. And lastly, most importantly, I can't forget my coffee. I always need to have like a drink or something while I am filming, because you know, just talking like it wears out your like breath or like your throat or whatever. But then I also always have water as a backup. I have a reusable water bottle, but this one I had in the car, so I'm using this up. But normally I have a reusable water bottle. All right, let's get started. I would also like to say, before I start filming my video, I also go through a list of talking points. Sometimes brands send you talking points that you need to say, or like links and stuff in the video, so I always go over that right before I film, so I'm fresh and know what to say and everything. My camera died. We're on my phone now.
Hello, it's voiceover Emily. It's like 3 a.m. I'm kind of tired, but anyways, it might sound a bit loopy, so ignore me. But this is step 2. We just set up. I just turn the lights off. I fix the fan because, you know, filming gets hot. And then I just play around with my tripod. Well, actually, first I have to put the camera on the tripod, and then I kind of just have to like find a place I want to stand, like, you know, set up my frame. Framing is very important in video. If your video is crooked, it's gonna look stupid. No offense, just saying. I've done it a couple times though, but I try not to.
Once I find a spot that I'm happy with for my camera, I then just start going through all of my clothing. So we're just gonna unbox or like unbag all of this. So it all just comes in like bags, but I have to unbag it just to show in the video. I'm doing this video like Sarah Pan style, where instead of like a try-on haul where she's like, hey guys, this is this thing, and then shows b-roll of it, she's actually wearing it while she's talking about it. I think that's more effective, so I want to try it out on this video. But if you guys don't know who Sarah Pan is, I definitely suggest like checking her out. Her video link will be right here and everything, but like I really like her videos. Plus, she's also an Asian creator, and I always love to support Asian creators.
So all the clothes just come like pre-packaged, so I'm just taking them out of their bags and just organizing them on the floor so it's easier for me to film.
Oh, and then I need scissors to cut off these tags, which I'm going to go do quickly. I got the scissors. Now we're just gonna cut off the tags off of everything before I start wearing them for the video. I just think it makes it look a bit more professional. Oh, you guys fell.
On another note, I just finished Hunter x Hunter, and I think I'm starting Attack on Titans next, but if you have any recommendations, let me know.
Done. And now we basically just started shooting. I have everything, and then yeah, you guys are just gonna watch a little behind the scenes.
Alright you guys, the time has come. This is what I look like when I'm filming a video. I just kind of talk to a camera, and then if I'm unsure about how a scene went, I just watch it back. And then I actually start filming the haul video. I liked how everything went. And then I change clothing. Obviously I cut the parts out where I'm changing on camera, or else that would just be weird. But yeah. And then step 4, it's time to edit. I'm not showing you guys how I edit. I have a video on that coming soon. Anyways, thanks for watching. It was a short vlog. Bye!